Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Kizil Gonja Lar. Kizil Gonja Lar tells the poignant story of Maryam, married off at 14 in an Islamic sect and now battling bravely to prevent her daughter Zainab from suffering the same fate as the bride of Sheikh's grandson. Guided by her sister-in-law, a former sect member, they realize they must flee to save Zainab from the sect's powerful clutches. Fearfully hiding her plans from her cruel husband, Mariam must first earn money as a career in the home of secular psychiatrist Levant, who agrees to help her. Despite their clashing religious and progressive beliefs, Mariam and Levant are drawn together emotionally, but the turmoil in their lives deepens as the identity of his daughter is revealed. Number 9. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and oldest grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of his recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Halis Aga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Seiran. Number 8. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 7. Khan Chichi Clary. Khan Chichi Clary tells the moving story of Dilan and Baran and the marriage they are forced into to end a blood feud despite the hostility of those around them, igniting a passion that will either blossom into love or bring devastation. Baran must put aside hatred of his enemies to save his brother and overcome the guilt he feels over an attack that killed his mother. As he seeks to bring peace to a family vying for revenge, destiny comes calling when Baran's uncle reveals he has traced down those who was attacked his parents, but his uncle hides a terrible secret. He is lying a trap and is actually the person behind the attack, hoping to get his hands on the family fortune if Baran were to take revenge and go to prison. Number 6. Sahib Sizzler. A story of 6 siblings, Azize, Kamo, Zaliha, Fidan, Samit, and Balim, who after suddenly losing their parents struggle to stay united and survive. The roots of their tragedy trace back to their parents, Bala and Rifat, whose forbidden love began in a village in Mardin. Rifat, a teacher, falls in love with Bala, but Yavuz, the wealthy and obsessive son of Mardin's richest family, kidnaps her. Despite his abuse, Bala escapes with Rifat and they build a splendid life in the forest, raising 6 children in peace. However, Yavuz's revenge shatters their world when he finds and attacks them. Fleeing to Istanbul, the siblings face the dangers of the city while seeking refuge with Uncle Aslan, their father's trusted friend. The story highlights resilience as the older siblings are forced to grow up quickly to protect their younger brothers and sisters in the face of overwhelming challenges. Number 5. Kara Sevda. From a middle class family, Kemal's only aim in life is to make a living and survive. A mine engineering student, he does not believe in miracles, especially those related to love. But his world turns upside down when Nihan comes into his monotonous life. From a wealthy family, Nihan lives in an affluent area over the neighborhood. However, she finds herself removed from the values of her environment and distant on her own world. Almost impossible, Kemal and Nihan's love surpasses their differences and they manage to stay together until Kemal has to leave Istanbul to work in a mine in Zonguldak. Soon after, Nihan marries wealthy businessman Emir Kozcuoğlu, who has been in love with her since childhood. Number 4. Sia Biaz Ashk. Farhat is a cold-blooded hitman with a traumatic past. He works for his criminal uncle Namik. On the other hand, Asli is a young and idealistic surgeon who wishes to serve humanity. One day their paths cross when Asli operates on a man dash Farhat shoot. Due to the surgery, Asli unintentionally puts herself in an odd position which forces her to marry Farhad to save her life. Stuck in power games, the two, who are as different from each other as black and white, have to get along. However, Farhad has too dirty of a life to live an innocent love story. What happens when the woman who saves lives is captured by the man who takes them? A passionate love is about to be born. Number 3. Fatma Gulun Suchne. Fatma Gulun Suchne is a story based on a novel. The series revolves around Fatma Gul and Karim, who are the lead characters. Fatma Gul, who is a small town girl, is raped one night by three guys under the influence of alcohol and drugs. Karim, who is friends with Erdogan, Selim, and Vural, is also present during this incident. Karim has not taken any part in this but is feeling remorse as he was present during the incident. Later on, the lawyer uncle and parents of rich guys pressurize Fatma Gul to marry Karim by bribing her sister-in-law. Fatma Gul has fiancé Mustafa who is after revenge on Fatma Gul and Karim. This makes the couple leave their hometown and come to Istanbul. The story revolves further when Karim falls in love with Fatma Gul and supports her in fight against her rapist. Number 2. Zumrud Duanka. The beautiful Zumrud strives to find love amid the jealousies and betrayals of the rich Demir Khan family in this powerful and moving drama set in a mansion rocked by murder, vengeance, and passion. The beautiful Zumrud carries the burden of looking after her sick father, her mother, and two sisters by working for the powerful Demir Khan family. In her quest for happiness, she must find a way through the deceptions, betrayals, and secrets of the Damir Khan's world as she seeks a path towards love. Adil Damir Khan is in love with Zumrud, but she views him more like an older brother and is secretly in a relationship with his nephew Sarhad. Zumrud and Sarhad are planning to marry after his military service. However, her world falls apart when she hears that she has died on active duty. Number 1. Ramo. The series tells the extraordinary story of Ramo, inspired by a real person, a man who goes against his superiors. It's a story that encompasses the deep conflicts of family, justice, revenge, friendship, and love. The fuel theft gang, known for smuggling diesel fuel, works for a powerful family who runs the entire area. The only thing they get in return is, as Ramo says, bones given to dogs. While the gang does the dirty work, Changez, the boss, gets all the money. Ramu, unable to accept the treatment that his family gets, decides to change the system no matter what it takes. He raises Riot's flag with the first opportunity he gets, just like how his father did during his time. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.